Hello everyone, welcome to the exams point notes. This video is part 1 of chemistry class 12th chapter 2 solution. In this chapter we will be going to cover the notes of this chapter. So let's start. So first of all come to the definition of solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two kind of substances which lose their individual identities and cannot be separated by simple method. A solution is made up of solute and solvent. Solute is present in a small amount while solvent is present in larger amount. A binary solution is one which has two components. Now let us come to the concentration terms. So concentration terms is categorized into two parts. Number one is mass related or temperature independent, and number two is volume related or temperature dependent. So the temperature related uh, concentration terms are percentage by mass, weight by weight, mole fraction, molality, parts per million or parts per billion. And the volume related or temperature dependent concentration terms are percentage by volume, volume upon volume, weight by volume, weight by volume percent, molarity and normality. Now let us come to weight by weight percent. The weight by weight percent formula is mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 100. So there is a question. Uh, a 10 gram of sucrose is dissolved in 100 gram of water. Here, sucrose is solute and water is solvent. So the solution will be 10 plus 100 is equals to 110 gram. Therefore, weight by weight percent is equals to 10 by 110 into 100. That is 9.09%. And similarly, there is another question. Try to solve it by yourself. Now, let us come to volume by volume percent. So the formula for volume by volume percent is volume of the solute divided by the volume of the solution into 100. So there is a question, 7 ml of HCl. So amount of solution is given, that is a solute is given, that is 7 ml, and is present in 100 ml of solution. So mass volume of solution is also given, that is 100 ml. So by the simple formula, volume of solute upon volume of solution into 100, we get volume by volume percent is equal to 7%. Now let us come to weight by volume percent. The formula of weight by volume percent is mass of the solute divided by volume of the solution into 100. So there is a question, 3 gram of sugar, so it is solute, and 100 ml of solution. So find the weight by volume percent. So weight of sugar is 3 gram and volume is 100 ml. Therefore, weight by volume percentage 3%. So there is a similar question. A sugar solution that is 10% weight by volume. So weight by volume percent is given, that is 10%. Find weight by weight percent if the density of the solution is 1.25 gram per ml and density of the solution is given. So density of the solution is 1.25 gram per ml. So weight by volume percent can also be written as 10 gram of sugar is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. So volume of the solution is 100 ml. Now mass of the solution is equals to density, which is 1.25 gram, into volume, that is 100 ml. So 1.25 gram into 100 is equals to 125 gram is the mass of the solution. Now weight by weight percent is easy to find, that is weight of the solute, that is 10 gram, upon weight of the solution, that is 125 gram. So the final weight by weight percent is equals to 10 upon 125 into 100 is equals to 8%. Now there is another question. Try to solve it by yourself and give the answer in the comment box. This is another question. Take the screenshot. Now let us come to mole fraction. Mole fraction is one of the important topics of this chapter. So in case of two component solution, A and B, the mole fraction of A, that is xi A, is written as number of moles of A, that is Na, divided by total number of moles or number of moles of A and B, that is Na plus Nb. This is the formula when there is two component in the solution. And in case of three component in the solution, that is A, B, C, the mole fraction of A will be written as number of moles of A upon the total number of moles. Then the mole fraction of B is written as number of moles of B upon the total number of moles. And in case of C, the mole fraction of C is written as number of moles of C upon the total number of moles of A, B, and C. Okay, and also the sum of the mole fraction of all the component is equals to 1. So if in case of two component system, the number of moles of the mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equals to 1, and in case of three system, mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B plus mole fraction of C is equals to 1. So overall sum of the mole fraction is equals to 1. Take the screenshot. Now let us come to a question. If 40 gram of NaOH plus 54 gram of H2O, there is a two component system, then find the mole fraction of NaOH and mole fraction of H2O. So number of moles of NaOH will be mass given, that is 40 gram divided by molar mass, and the molar mass is also 40 gram. So the number of moles will be equals to 1 mole. Now the mole fraction of H2O is equals to mass given, that is 54 upon molar mass of H2O. Then 54 upon 18 is equals to 3 mole is the mole fraction number of moles of H2O. Now mole fraction of NaOH is equals to 1 upon 1 plus 3, that is 1 by 4, and mole fraction of H2O is equals to 3 upon 1 plus 3 is equals to 3 by 4. So this is the answer. Now there is another question. Try to solve it by yourself. Take the screenshot. Now there is another concentration term, that is parts per million, ppm. 1 million is equals to 10 to the power 6. So it is equals to mass of the solute divided by mass of the solution into 10 to the power 6. So the final formula is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 10 to the power 6. And there is a question: if 2 gram of sugar is added to 10 to the power 6 gram of solution, then find ppm. Then simply the ppm will be 2 ppm sugar in solution. Now let us come to molarity. The formula for molarity is equals to number of moles of solute in moles divided by volume of the solution in liter. So the formula of molarity is number of moles of solute which are present in 1 liter is called molarity, and it is denoted by capital M. There is an example of molarity. So molarity of sugar solution is 2 capital M. That is 2 moles of sugar are present in 1 liter solution, and the molarity of H plus ion is 3 capital M. It means that 3 moles of H plus ion are present in 1 liter of solution. It must be remembered that molarity is given in terms of moles upon the volume in liter. There is a question: find the molarity of 40 gram NaOH dissolved in 250 ml of solution. So first of all, we need to convert this 40 gram of NaOH into number of moles of NaOH, and we need to convert the volume in liter. It is given in milliliter. To Uh, to convert the volume in milliliter, we have to divide it by 1000, and to convert into mole, we have to divide it given mass upon molar mass. So the number of moles will be 1, and the volume will be 1 upon 4 in liter. So finally we have to write it as 1 by 1 by 4, that is 4 capital M or 4 moles per liter. There are some another question, try to solve it here by yourself, and thank you for watching the video. We will cover the next part soon. Till then, join our WhatsApp channel for the PDF notes. Thank you.